Hello everyone, this is Jordan from Pinexl.com and today I'm going to give you an overview of our Excel chart preset templates. Also, I'm going to show you what they are, how to use and how to install them. First, let's see what these preset templates are. Microsoft Excel gives the users a wide range of options to edit and modify charts so that they can display data in the best way possible. After you create a chart, it is also possible to save it as a template in order to reuse the design later without having to make the same design changes over and over again, thus saving enormous amounts of time. We have used this functionality, our experience in data visualization and business intelligence best practices to create a wide range of amazing looking chart templates. After successful installation, they are available at any time from the Insert Chart menu and are inserted like all other default Excel charts. We have designed over 180 different charts, separated in different color groups. We have created a wide variety of column, bar, area, line, pie and donut charts, both stacked and with markers where available. The charts are split in 6 different color variations, which range from the classic Excel look to the most modern business intelligence software solutions. Not only that, but with the preset templates, you also receive a copy of our Advanced Charts Master Workbook. There, you will find some of the most often used and searched for dynamic advanced Excel charts. No longer will you have to spend time searching for guidelines and manually creating these visualizations. They will always be available for you to just copy them to your own reports and dashboards. Now, let's see in more detail what exactly is included. As already mentioned, the preset templates contain more than 180 different charts. All of them are instantly available from the template folder in the Insert Chart menu. There you will find the following charts: 2 different clustered column charts, a stacked column chart and a 100% stacked column chart. Line chart and a stacked line chart, both with and without markers. 2 different pie charts and donut charts. 2 different bar charts, a stacked bar chart and a 100% stacked bar chart. An area, stacked area and a 100% stacked area chart. All of them are pre-designed for up to 12 different data series and are split in 6 different amazing color groups. The accent charts help with highlighting the important data series. They are available as an area chart, 2 different column, bar and line charts, as well as a pie and a donut chart. The accent charts are also available in 4 different color categories. We have also designed 3 different actual versus target charts, which provide amazing design in a single click. All of them available in 5 different colors to best fit your needs. Now let's see how to install the preset templates. First, open an Excel workbook. Go to Insert and open the More Chart menu. Next, go to Templates and click on Manage Templates. This will open the template window on your computer. Leave it open. Next, open the Downloaded archive. Then open the Preset Chart Templates folder. Now simply copy all files from here directly to the Templates window we opened previously. This is it. All 180 plus charts will now be available in a couple of clicks. For example, here you can see how easy it is to create these amazing looking charts based on your data. They work just as easy as the default charts and are of course completely editable if you wish to change, add or remove anything. Now let's go to the Advanced Charts Master Workbook. It currently contains over 15 different advanced dynamic charts. These are 4 different actual versus target column charts with dynamic colors, an actual versus target bar chart, an actual versus target column chart, a classic progress donut chart and donut charts with dynamic colors, an income versus expense chart, column chart with conditional formatting, a waffle chart, a multi-stage progress bar, a Gantt chart, and a milestone chart. As you see, this is an incredible value, considering how much time can be saved by simply having these amazing charts at your disposal. As a demonstration, here are two simple dashboards that were created only with our preset templates and the advanced charts from the Master Workbook. Beautiful, professional, and modern. Both of them were created in under a minute, as there is no more need to spend time formatting, changing the design, or building them from scratch. Together, the preset charts and the advanced charts from the Master Workbook provide a powerful solution to business intelligence and data visualization in Excel. You'll be able to create amazing looking reports and dashboards in seconds, inspiring and impressing your viewers. Make sure to follow the link in the description and check out more details about this amazing product. This was Jordan from Pinexl.com. Thank you very much for watching.